Let's line everything up through this last hole right there. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the TONOR portable vocal booth, otherwise known as a mic isolation shield. I purchased this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Here's how it comes packaged to you in a nice and simple retail box. This has 1.7 inch high density foam and a 3-panel design, and it comes with mounting adapters for 3/8 inch and 5/8 inch. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, we have your installation guide right here, complete with step-by-step instructions. I want to point out that they don't have their customer service information anywhere on the instruction sheet or the box, so just keep that in mind. Next, you can see we have all of our hardware to mount this properly to a microphone and a stand. Then we have the noise isolation shield right here. You can see their logo and branding. You can see the hinges. This is 3 pieces, 3 panels. Just be careful, don't pinch yourself in any of those seams. We can look at it from the other side now too. You can see that high density foam to absorb all the sounds. You can see it from the top and how it folds. We can look at it from the bottom side as well too. So you can see the threaded piece we have to mount this. Now let's go ahead and let's set it up. We're going to be installing the shield on this Blue Yeti microphone. We're going to leave it on this base, and we can look at the bottom side too so you can see where we're going to thread everything together with the bracket that's included. So the first thing we need to do is we need to install the included adapter. So just gently go ahead. You can twist that in place. Be careful not to cross thread anything. Finger tight for now will do. So now you can see we have that installed right there. Now we're ready to take our next piece and just gently twist that in place as well. So once we have it tightened, you can see we're turning both pieces together. Now we're ready for the next piece, which is our washer. So now go ahead, put the washer on. Now we're ready to use the bracket right here, and you can see we have a lot of room to make proper adjustments for this. So to start, you can see we could be all the way at the end, so we can have the furthest distance away from the shield, or we could bring it closer depending on what we're after. So to start, let's go ahead, let's just leave it further back. Now take this next piece and just tighten everything together. Just finger tight for now will do. So there we go, we have it tightened down. Now we're ready to install the shield. You can see the 2 pieces we have to attach together on the shield so we can put them right on the bracket. So let's go ahead, let's line everything up through this last hole right there. So maybe you can see it from the overhead camera where we're going to attach everything. And then just gently thread them together, finger tight. It'll become nice and snug. And now we have the shield properly attached to our Blue Yeti microphone. Now let's go ahead, let's try it out. Now we got the Blue Yeti fired up and we're testing out the raw audio right now. This has been unedited in any way. And we're testing out how it sounds with the isolation shield in place. We can bring the shield closer together so it's basically hugging the microphone. Now let's go ahead, let's bring it all the way out and keep talking to see how everything sounds. And let's go ahead, let's bring it about halfway in so we can see how everything sounds. So hopefully everything sounds great. Now let's go ahead, let's try it out without the isolation shield. Now we're testing out the Blue Yeti microphone without the noise isolation shield on so you can get a sample for the raw audio and how everything sounds in this room. Now just for fun that we've tested it out both ways, let's go ahead, let's just hold it in place and see how everything sounds. So here we go, we're just holding it in place and we can get it a little bit higher on this microphone to see if that has an impact. So same thing, we're having about halfway open. Now we're going to have it hugging the microphone to see how the audio sounds. Again, everything in this video has been unedited audio-wise, so you guys can really tell what's going on with the shield and how it makes a difference. So now you may be wondering what it sounds like to be really close to the microphone because, David, at first, you were too far away. Of course, it's never going to work or make a difference. Honestly, for my application, I need it to work further away, so I was hoping that that would help reduce some of the sounds and noises that the microphone picks up as my audio and voice bounces all around the room. So here's your sample up close to see how everything sounds without the shield in place. Now let's go ahead. We have the shield right here. So I currently have the shield in place right now, and I'm talking directly into the microphone. We're going to go ahead, we're going to fold the panels around the microphone, and we're going to keep talking to see if we can notice any sort of difference. And again, this might be a lot more useful if you're recording a podcast or a voiceover, or you want to sing directly into the shield really close to the microphone. Now let's go ahead, let's keep talking, and let's remove it. So there we go, we just removed it. Now we're bringing it back up. We have everything together again. We're going to remove it. Now we're bringing everything back up. We're talking into it, and then we removed it back down. So let's just see how everything sounds, if we can get any sort of key differences between the two. So here it is covered. We have it covered right now, and now we don't have it covered. Let's see if there's any differences. So after listening back to the raw audio test myself, I got to say I had really high expectations for this product, and I just don't think it delivered. But enough about what I think. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section below. I can't wait to hear from you guys. Do you think this is worth it? Let me know. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.